Properly.
You gotta sign that shit.
Yup.
I wanna know this.
Check it out.
Yeah.
Riddle.
Yo.
Oh, 50 Cent. Fuck that, I guess I gotta go spit for Holyoke on the map. Yep, we gonna go deadly like a shock attack. Leaving niggas on their back with the AK attached. You know we always running strap, and this nigga talking shit, then he's gonna get slapped. I mean, we get punked up, I believe jump, but this nigga don't know that we smoking a skunk, and then we always high, just chilling in the sky, probably seeing what you doing and why. Oh, I mean, we just gonna go chill, probably just spend a couple of mil and then just sign a deal with a whole bunch of labels. I'm getting pinned so much, I'm like Staples. Oh, I mean, I gotta go rape it. I mean, I gotta go and get the game and just take it, break it. I mean, rip the whole track, yup. I'm putting little mama straight on their back cause they want the anaconda attack. And then you know, I just relax and kick back and I just kick facts. Straight up truth, and if you don't wanna fuck with me, then go to the booth and just spit crazy shit. You probably lose a tooth, but then you go again, then just bring a little friend. Yup, we gonna go straight to the party. These bitches acting naughty. Why? Cause they gonna go to a hotel, probably a motel. Then she probably won't tell what she's gonna do with me and her couple of friends. Yep, we got the E&J and bottles of gin, and when we wake up we do it again, and then I tell her fucking get the fuck off and get your friend, and she could probably go and bust it in. Oh, but I guess I just spit in. Oh, all the time with a slight grin. Yeah, but I guess I gotta go and end this, my friend. So tomorrow we can spit again, and yup, cause we always lean in, but these niggas on their knees, that's why they always bleeding.